Namaste and good afternoon to all presented here, respected principal, vice principal, beloved parents, teachers and all of my dear friends. Today is a special day for us, a day to share our hard work and learning. A very special welcome to our parents for being here. It means a lot to us. Are deeply grateful to our parents for your endless support and to our teachers for guiding us in every step of the way. Thanks for your encouraging for us. Hope you all enjoy our presentation. It's me Mila Kharka standing before you to share my presentation. The first topic of my presentation is myself. I am Mila Khadka. I am 13 years old. I study in grade 8 in Sri Navapratibha English Secondary School. I live at Navabuddha 7 Khanalthok Kabre with my family. My dad Mohan Khadka is dedicated to education, teaching at Sri Navapratibha English Secondary School. My mom Pramila Khadka is a housewife who cooks delicious meals and takes care of everyone. My sister Moima Khadka and Manas Khadka both are students of Sri Navapratibha English Secondary School. We spend our free time together, whether it's playing, drawing, or working on homework. And when they are confused on their homework, I always help them. My strengths are growing independence, developing critical thinking, increased engagement in discussion, and peer collaboration. My weaknesses are procrastination, time management, distraction, difficulty, self-advocacy, emotional fluctuation. My hobbies are listening to the peaceful music, drama, acting, educational and skill building. Hobbies like reading, writing, stories, and volunteer work in society. About my school. A school is a temple of knowledge in which teachers are the precious and students are diverse. Where education is worship, school is that building which has four walls with our future inside. The name of my school is Sri Navapratibha English Secondary Boarding School. This school is one of the best schools in this area for overall development for the students. Bird Science Lab is its installation process. It was established in 2033 years. It is located at Navabuddha 7 Community Basic Array. It is a private and secondary level English medium school. My school natural environment is very good. It has big playground where we play games and make assembly. The mentor director of my school is Santosh Adhikari. The manager director of my school is Rita Sigdel. The principal of my school is Vivek Kumar Tamang, who teaches us Nepali and Samajik. The vice principal of my school is Mohan Khadka, who teaches us English and grammar. All the teachers and non-teaching staffers are very good. There is PG to 10 classes in my school. There are more than 500 students in my school. My school organizes essay every Friday. It provides us good education, pure water to drink, and our school canteen provides healthy food for us. My school has been good for many years. My school has enough buildings. My parents are happy with my school. The greatness of parents and teachers. Teachers and parents are most important people in our lives. They guide us, support us, and help us grow into better individuals. Without them, our lives would be much more difficult. Parents are first and forever guides. Parents are our first teachers. From the time we are born, they take care of us with endless love and patience. They work hard to provide us with food, clothes, education, and comfortable life. They teach us good values like honesty, kindness, and respect. Even when we make mistakes, they correct us with love and help us learn from them. We should always respect and appreciate them because no one else will ever care for us the way they do. Teachers are mentors in life. Teachers are like gardeners who help young minds bloom. They not only teach us subject but also inspire us to think, questions and dream. A good teacher can change a student's life believing in them when no one else does. Teachers spend hours preparing lessons, checking homework, and finding ways to make learning from fun. Great teachers don't just fill our minds with knowledge. Parents and teachers both play invaluable roles in our lives. While parents give us roots at the home, teachers give us wings to fly in the world. None will influence us as deeply as their mentors. Let us always remember to honor and appreciate our parents and teachers for everything they do for us. Me after 10 years. In 2025, currently I am in grade 8 in this school. I focus in studying and learning. In 2026, next year I will be in grade 9. I will continue to learning and growing. I will be build stronger knowledge and skills. In 2027, I will be in grade 10. This will be the final year for all of my batchmates. I will work really hard on that years. My goal is to get A plus results and make my school and parents proud. In 2028, SEE in plus and college, I will pursue education. Once I will complete my bachelor degree in major English subject, I will find a job as a teacher and serve society. I want to be a proud English teacher and support to fulfill my father's dreams to educate more children to provide them a beautiful future. Gender equality. Gender equality is about making sure that everyone, regardless of their gender, whether they are a man, woman, or identify in another way, has the same rights, opportunity, and responsibilities in all areas of life. This means that no one should be discriminated against or given fewer chance just because of their gender. It's about ensuring fair treatment in education, jobs, pay, health, and having an equal voice in decisions that affect their lives. Ultimately, gender equality aims to aims to break down old stereotypes and create a world where all individuals can fully participate and reach their potential without being limited by social expectation based on their gender. Gender equality simply means that all individuals, regardless of whether they are a man, woman, or any other gender, should have the same rights, opportunity, and responsibilities in every aspect of life. It's about ensuring a fair treatment for everyone, allowing them to pursue their dreams, access education, secure jobs on equal pay, and participate in decision making without being limited by outdated stereotypes or discrimination. Ultimately, achieving gender equality creates a more just, safe, and prosperous society for all. Why public toilets have separate room for gents and ladies? Having separate restrooms for men and women is mainly about providing privacy and comfort. It, it allows individuals to use the facilities without feeling consequence or uncomfortable. This separation also helps in managing the flow of people, especially during peak time, and can reduce waiting times. It caters to the different needs and preferences of each gender, like the inclusion of sanitary products in women's restrooms. Overall, separate restrooms aim to create a more respectful and accommodating environment for all users. Private public toilets have separate rooms for men and women for a few reasons. Privacy. It ensures privacy for individuals using the facilities. Safety, security. Space help to prevent harassment and ensure a safer environment for everyone. Comfort. It makes people feel more comfortable using the toilet without the persons for of the opposite gender. Social norms. Historically, societies have established this separation based on morals and gender rules. Thank you, Lord. To my parents, teacher, and school, thank you for all your support and for helping me learn and grow. I am so grateful for the gui- gui- guidance from my parents, teachers, and this school. For my parents, teachers, and school, thank you for everything. Your help means the world to me. Thank you. Prepared and presented by Mira